How to delete or deactivate your Bolt account. Done using Bolt or just need a break? Here's how to delete or deactivate your account properly. First, open your Bolt app, go to your profile and tap Support or Help. Search for Delete Account in the Help topics. You'll see an option to request deletion. Tap it and follow the prompts to confirm. Bolt will send a confirmation email or notification before final removal. If you just want a temporary break, you can request account deactivation instead. That pauses your data without full deletion. Always clear your saved payment methods before deleting your account to ensure your billing info is fully removed. Have you ever deleted an app account before? Let me know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can delete or deactivate your Bolt account. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.